Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have an exciting video for you guys today because we're going to show you a brand new HyperShift Pearl. This right here is ZBO, and what makes ZBO unique is it's supposed to shift from orange and amber to black. Now we do have one other HyperShift Pearl that goes from black to red, and that's ZBR. And if you remember ZBR, it was a total game changer and it looks absolutely outstanding. So if ZBO is anything like ZBR, we are in for a real treat today. It's going down on the Evo. We're jumping right in. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are done with today's project. Now, going into this, remember, ZBO is supposed to shift from orange and amber to black. And the one thing I was a little concerned about is whether or not ZBO being orange to black would be different enough than ZBR, which goes from red to black. And two things I noticed right off the bat. The particle size of ZBO is much bigger, it has much more sparkle to it than ZBR, and the tones that it shifts to are definitely different. Similar in some ways, but definitely different. So if ZBO is the pearl of your choice, you're definitely going to get something unique compared to ZBR, which has been around for a little while now. Now, if you want to dip your own car with ZBO, we made you a car kit. Click right up here. Let's go outside and check out the car. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing as well. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have an exciting video for you today because we are showing you a brand new HyperShift Pearl. This is ZBO, and what's special about ZBO is it shifts from black to completely invisible. We're going to show you a brand new HyperShift Pearl. This right here is ZBO, and what makes ZBO unique is it's supposed to shift from, I forgot what it's supposed to shift from. Then the red to black with ZBR. And two things I noticed right off the bat. A, they are similar, but B, what the fuck am I talking about? You'd think I'd get used to filming in a 100-degree metal box by now.